Jaipur, the pink city of India, awaits. This vibrant destination pulses with energy, a captivating blend of ancient history and modern life. Imagine stunning palaces, majestic forts, and bustling markets, all bathed in a warm, rosy hue. Over the next 7 days, we'll embark on a budget-friendly adventure through Jaipur's enchanting streets and uncover its hidden gems. Founded in 1727 by Maharaja Sawai Jai Singh II, Jaipur is a city steeped in history. Its vibrant culture is a testament to its royal past, evident in its grand palaces and intricate architecture. Wander through the bustling bazaars, where the air is thick with the scent of spices and the sound of vendors hawking their wares. Here, you can haggle for exquisite textiles, sparkling jewelry, and colorful handicrafts, taking home a piece of Jaipur's vibrant spirit. But Jaipur is more than just its historical monuments and bustling markets. You'll find a thriving culinary scene, from street food stalls serving up tantalizing local delicacies to upscale restaurants offering modern takes on traditional Rajasthani cuisine. The moment you step off the plane in Jaipur, a wave of vibrant energy washes over you. The air, thick with the scent of spices and incense, carries the sounds of bustling life, car horns, bicycle bells, and the melodic calls of street vendors. This is the start of an unforgettable adventure, a journey through the heart of the Pink City. After navigating the bustling streets of Jaipur, a haven awaits, your accommodation for the next 7 days. For the budget-conscious traveler, Jaipur offers a plethora of options without compromising on comfort or charm. One such gem is the Hotel Pearl Palace, a delightful fusion of traditional Rajasthani architecture and modern amenities. Once settled, resist the urge to simply relax. Jaipur beckons, and there's no better way to experience its vibrant energy than by diving headfirst into the labyrinthine lanes of its bazaars. Bapu Bazaar, renowned for its textiles and traditional Rajasthani attire, is a feast for the senses. Rolls of silk and cotton in every imaginable hue spill out from shops, their vibrant colors catching the sunlight. Let the soft textures glide through your fingers as you haggle for the perfect souvenir, a vibrant reminder of your time in Jaipur. Day 2 in Jaipur dawns, a promise of architectural marvels and cultural immersion hanging in the air. Your first stop is the iconic Hawa Mahal, a palace as unique as its nickname, the Palace of Winds. Even from a distance, its facade is mesmerizing, a symphony in pink sandstone, honeycombed with 953 jharokas, or small windows. Imagine the royal ladies of the court, concealed from public view by the latticework screens, peering out at the bustling city below. The jharokas allowed them to observe daily life, festivals, and processions, while enjoying the cool breeze that flowed through the ingenious design. A short walk from the Hawa Mahal lies another of Jaipur's architectural gems, Jantar Mantar. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is not your typical palace complex. It's a testament to the scientific curiosity and astronomical prowess of Maharaja Sawai Jai Singh II. Step into this open-air observatory, a collection of 19 astronomical instruments, each a marvel of design and engineering. Stand in awe of the world's largest stone sundial, the Samrat Yantra, its shadow meticulously tracking the passage of time. These instruments, built with meticulous precision, were used to measure time, track celestial bodies, and even predict eclipses. No exploration of Jaipur's Pink City would be complete without a visit to the City Palace, a sprawling complex that stands at the heart of the old city. This architectural marvel, a blend of Rajput, Mughal, and European styles, served as the seat of power for the Maharajas of Jaipur. Today, it offers a glimpse into the opulent lifestyle of these royal families and houses a museum showcasing their rich history and heritage. Pass through the Virendra Pole, adorned with vibrant frescoes, and into the Mubarak Mahal courtyard. Admire the craftsmanship of the past, from the intricate embroidery on silk turbans to the bejeweled swords and daggers. On the third day, we trade the vibrant chaos of Jaipur's streets for the majestic serenity of the Aravalli Hills. Our destination, the magnificent Amber Fort, an architectural masterpiece that seems to rise organically from the rugged landscape. For the budget-conscious traveler, the local bus offers an authentic and cost-effective way to reach Amber Fort. The bus ride, costing less than $1, is a journey in itself, a window into the everyday rhythms of life outside the tourist hubs. Stepping through the imposing Suraj Pole, or Sun Gate, is akin to stepping back in time. The gateway, once guarded by vigilant Rajput warriors, now welcomes visitors from across the globe. As you pass through the threshold, you leave behind the cacophony of the modern world and enter a realm of courtyards, palaces and gardens. A labyrinth of cobblestone pathways and staircases lead you deeper into the heart of the fort. The heart of Amber Fort is its Diwani-Am, or Hall of Public Audience, a sprawling courtyard where the Maharajas once held court. No visit to Amber Fort is complete without experiencing the ethereal beauty of the Sheesh Mahal, or Palace of Mirrors. This opulent structure, a jewel within a jewel, is a testament to the Mughal love for intricate detail and the play of light. As you step into the hall, prepare to be dazzled. The walls and ceilings, covered in thousands of tiny glass pieces, shimmer and sparkle. Legend has it that the Sheesh Mahal was designed so that even a single candle could illuminate the entire hall. Day 4 in Jaipur promises a deeper dive into the city's rich cultural tapestry, starting with a visit to the Albert Hall Museum. This architectural gem, a blend of Indo-Saracenic styles, stands proudly in the heart of the city. Step inside and you'll be transported to a world of artifacts, sculptures and paintings that tell the story of Rajasthan's glorious past. After a morning of soaking up history and culture, it's time to indulge in one of Rajasthan's most celebrated treasures, its cuisine. Seek out a local cooking class, often hosted in the homes of passionate home cooks, eager to share their culinary heritage. Don your apron, roll up your sleeves, and prepare to get hands-on as you learn the secrets behind some of Rajasthan's most iconic dishes. The air will be thick with the aromas of spices, cumin, coriander, turmeric, and chili, as you grind them by hand on a traditional mortar and pestle. As the sun begins its descent, casting a warm glow over the Pink City, it's time to venture out and experience the symphony of flavors that is Rajasthani cuisine. Head to a local eatery, often tucked away in bustling backstreets, where the aroma of spices will guide your way. These unassuming establishments, often family-run and steeped in tradition, offer an authentic taste of Rajasthan that you won't find in fancy restaurants. Order a traditional Rajasthani thali, a feast served on a large platter, and prepare to be amazed by the sheer variety and complexity of flavors. Day 5 in Jaipur offers a welcome change of pace, a chance to escape the city's hustle and bustle and reconnect with nature. Your destination, the Jaipur Zoo, a sprawling green oasis home to over 50 species of mammals, birds, and reptiles. As you wander through the shaded pathways, you'll encounter majestic Bengal tigers pacing their enclosures. After your wildlife adventure, it's time to trade the roar of lions for the gentle whispers of nature at the Sisodia Rani Garden. This tranquil oasis, located just a short drive from the city center, offers a welcome respite from the urban chaos. Cascading fountains, their waters sparkling in the sunlight, create a soothing melody that washes away the city's noise. As the afternoon sun casts long shadows across the garden, take a moment to reflect on the diversity of experiences Jaipur offers. The Sisodia Rani Garden, with its serene ambiance and timeless beauty, serves as a reminder that even amidst the chaos of daily life, moments of peace and tranquility can be found. As you leave the garden and make your way back to the city, carry with you the tranquility you've found. Day 6 in Jaipur is dedicated to indulging in one of India's most cherished pastimes, shopping. Forget sterile shopping malls and online retailers. Jaipur's bustling bazaars offer an immersive sensory experience. Our first stop is Tripolia Bazaar, a labyrinthine marketplace renowned for its exquisite textiles. No shopping experience in India is complete without mastering the art of bargaining. It's an integral part of the culture, a playful dance between buyer and seller that often ends in a mutually agreeable price. Start by browsing and expressing interest in various items without revealing your true desire. Ask about the craftsmanship, the materials used, and the story behind the piece. Once you've settled on an item, offer a price significantly lower than the asking price. Expect some theatrical gasps and counter-offers. As you wander through Bapu Bazaar, keep an eye out for Jaipur's famous blue pottery, a craft that has been practiced in the city for centuries. From delicate teacups and serving platters to decorative vases and candle holders, there's a piece of blue pottery to suit every taste and budget. As the sun begins its final descent, casting a warm, golden glow over the Pink City, it's time to bid farewell to Jaipur. Your 7-day adventure, a whirlwind of vibrant colors, exotic aromas, and unforgettable experiences, has come to an end. On this final day, take a leisurely stroll through the city, revisiting your favorite spots and soaking up the atmosphere one last time. As you bid farewell to the Pink City, remember that travel is not just about the destinations we visit, but the experiences we embrace, the connections we make, and the lessons we learn along the way. Jaipur, with its rich history, vibrant culture, and warm hospitality, has undoubtedly left an imprint on your soul, a treasure trove of memories to be cherished. Remember the thrill of bargaining for treasures in the bustling bazaars, the awe-inspiring grandeur of Amber Fort, and the tranquility of the Sisodia Rani Garden. Recall the flavors of Rajasthani cuisine, the vibrant colors of the textiles, and the friendly smiles of the locals. Jaipur, a city that seamlessly blends the ancient and the modern, has shown you that adventure can be found around every corner, even on a budget. It has reminded you that the greatest souvenirs are not the ones we buy, but the ones we carry within. A renewed sense of wonder, a deeper appreciation for different cultures, and a heart filled with unforgettable memories. So, as you embark on your journey home, carry a piece of Jaipur with you. Share your stories, savor the memories, and let the spirit of the Pink City inspire you to embrace new adventures, explore uncharted territories, and approach life with an open heart and a thirst for discovery. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more budget travel tips. Until next time, Jaipur.